Looking at the future, the companies that don't embrace digitalization, they'll be as obsolete as those companies that were using drawing boards. Okay, because like when CAD came and people were stuck to drawing boards, they soon realized that they were disappearing. So the same thing in the consulting world is that systems are going to be faster, and the software that is being developed will require a lot of data and the arrangement of data in such a way that you become effective. So looking at big data is that arrangement in terms of whatever has been accumulated and whatever comes from your clients, because data is available, and the value add is in the analysis and the use of data in that regard to influence solutions. The new graduates that we are seeing, they are more tuned to the use of digitalization, digital drawings that we actually see. And also they spend not more time on creating paper drawings and that. They are more interested in creating 3D models and be able to do whatever they do at less the time that they've done before. So speed is of essence going forward, that things will be faster. And also the role of the engineer would be actually far less, unfortunately. The designers and the architects will be on top of the game because they'll be doing most of the thinking. And the engineers, actually, some of the systems have already been programmed. So it's easy to fit into that. The engineers will be involved mostly in checking and reviewing of such designs going forward. We have come from, as a company, to say that, like, well, how do we accelerate it? Because it's really important as a company to work, to look at the acceleration. We have looked at 3 areas. One was the services that we provide. The other one was actually our systems. That is actually BIM, VDC, and also parametric design. That is engineering automation. And the third part was actually the tooling. That is where we look at the HoloLens and where we are able to use even iPads. You can use your iPhone to view a drawing and you give it to the client, and the client can look at it and be able to turn around your phone and move around with it and be on the same coordinates at where the bridge is going to be or where the building is going to be. So those are the things we're investing in. And also we have strategic hires that, like, well, we in the recruitment of other disciplines that can accelerate that. We have employed about 8 strategic hires to date as an organization. And people who have worked in environments that can complement our work as engineers to accelerate the digitalization. And also we have restructured the way our engineers work. Part of their time they spent in scripting and writing models, and 50% is actually doing the work which is required. So that's an investment that we are making, because without that investment, we'll always play the catch-up game. So we're accelerating as an organization.